Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. This video has been long overdue. Today I'm giving you guys an update on my B5 S4. It's had a rough winter. We're here at my shop Eurotech and the time has come to give you guys an update. Okay, so the S4 has been locked away for 5 months now. What started as just a simple refresh of the turbos has turned into the cylinder heads needing to be rebuilt, and essentially we overhauled the entire car. So here's what this S4 has been up to for the past 5 months. Unfortunately, along the way, we discovered that our engine had low compression, so we've completely had to tear down the engine. And upon further investigation, we found the cylinder heads needed to be rebuilt.
Filled the intake ports up with brake clean. A little bit leaking there, a little bit there, but number 6, which was the one that had low compression, pouring out all 3 valves. Just as fast as I can wipe it. So obviously we have some valve seating issues. That's definitely why we had low compression when cold on number 6.
We have these cylinder heads back from the machine shop. They're fully rebuilt and this can start to be put back together once again. Everything has been resealed. We redid the timing, we redid the turbos, we put a new clutch. So we've kind of just been battling with finding new things that we need to fix and ordering those parts and making those parts work together. We're finally nearing the end. We have the engine put back in. It's completely resealed and ready to go, except we put the wrong pilot bearing in the clutch. And so we can't drive the car today, unfortunately. My tech has to take the transmission back out and put the correct pilot bearing in. So until then, I have an appointment with Blake from ET Spec. He is going to be flashing a base map on the car this morning. Just sending him our code and stuff so he can take over our computer and start flashing stuff. He has full access and he's installing what we need. We're going to turn the car onto accessory mode and in the dark here, plug into our OBD2. So we're plugged in. He is flashing my car. Okay, so he had me cycle the ignition. Now we're running fault codes. Looks like we're doing another little flash here. Okay, we had another flash and he wants me to cycle the key again. Okay, it's good to start. Wow, okay, this is exciting. It has been a long time coming. Okay, we're started up. All right, all set for now. Everything looks pretty normal. So I think we're good to shut her off. Blake says once you get the car drivable, I'll want to email him a picture of the measuring block 32 and any faults after we drive it for about 80 miles. So we are flashed for our base map. It was definitely not the plan with this car, but everything happens for a reason. Now I have a completely resealed and a fresh stage 3 B5 S4. So hopefully Mikhail can get this pilot bearing fixed real quick. And I'll see you guys when the S4 is ready to drive. Wow, okay, it's literally like driving the car for the first time. Wow. So it needs an alignment still and a few things buttoned up. It definitely needs a wash, so we're gonna head first thing to a car wash and get this baby cleaned up. But wow. good to have this car back. Bust a little Yui real quick. It needs an alignment pretty bad, but this thing is so fun. It has not been like this at all the whole time I've owned it. And it's been a little frustrating, but man, it's starting to feel like maybe it was all worth it. Alright, let's give this baby a quick wash. So from here, I'm just gonna put the 80 miles or so that I need to drive and make sure that there's no kinks, make sure there's no check engine lights, kind of get used to how the car is, and then I think it's time to have some fun with this car. I plan to do a lot of autocross and a lot of track time with this car. It's a track-oriented setup, but I'll definitely be getting some launch controls and some 0 to 60s and some quarter-mile times now that the weather is warming up. So I'm really happy to have this car back. There should be a lot of content coming out with this car. A lot going on this summer that I am super excited about. Wow, this car's fun. Okay, we'll wrap up the video with a couple shots of the car. Please don't forget to hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I also have an update on my C7 S6 coming soon. And so I think it's going to be an action-packed summer. Comment down below what you want to see out of the B5 S4 this summer. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Mm-hmm.